Hello everyone, this is Marcy with myprettyposhprincess.com, and today we're going to talk about different styles of beads that you can find on our website, and I'm going to use our Bead Lot of the Week color theme as an example. If you're not familiar, the Bead Lot of the Week is a 100 count bead mix that you vote on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/myprettyposhprincess. Every week there are two choices. You get to vote, and the winner is featured for 1 week only, 100 count for $15.99. So this week we have the lavender, light purple, and turquoise mint lot that is on the website, myprettyposhprincess.com, for the rest of the week. And usually I do a video making something. This week I thought I would do something different, and we would talk about the different types of beads that we have available. So these are all 20 millimeter beads, which fits right along with the Bead Lot of the Week. And I actually have 29 different styles here. This is almost every style that we carry, but not all. We probably have about 40, maybe more. It just depends on the time of the year or new releases. So I'm going to dive in, and we're just going to start and go left to right. So starting here on the top, we have the classic solids. So this is a solid in light purple and winter green. Right underneath, we have a neon solid. So if you're not familiar, we do carry those on our website. They're a little bit brighter twist on a solid. They're really beautiful. They're not just for summer. As you can see, they look really great with this mix. So there's solids and neon solids. Underneath, we have the classic 20 millimeter pearl in the gloss, which is really pretty, followed by the 20 millimeter pearl in matte, also really pretty. Keep in mind that every single shade does not come in every single style. So for instance, this bead lot, I do have a lot of the styles of beads. So that's where that difference between the 29 that you see here and the other styles that we have available would come into play. So right after the matte pearls are some glitter pearls. Sorry. So there's glitter pearls here, followed by a pearl disco ball. And we do have that in a lot of different colors. After the pearl disco ball, we have a pearl lace bead, which is really beautiful. Then we have a pearl wrinkle bead in a lavender. Very, very pretty. Following the wrinkle bead is an AB solid bead or a shimmer bead, which is extremely pretty. I don't know if you can see in the light how that shimmers. It's a little twist on a traditional solid. After that, we have the QRT print, which is the Quatrefoil. Very pretty. Right now, this is just about the only color other than gold that the factory even makes in that. So the winter green, which is really pretty. After that, we have a faceted rondelle type bead in a lavender. So coming down here, we have traditional lace, not in a pearl. Kind of has these really neat edges, and we usually carry these in quite a few different colors. After those lace beads, we have the Fairy Wishes beads. Those are new releases from a week or two ago, and they're really, really pretty. If you can see those. Super pretty. It's kind of like a clear with a little bit of an AB shimmer twist on it. Following that is the Chevron in winter green. Then we have a lavender Stardust bead. Then we have a faceted solid in a winter green. Really pretty. And then of course, very traditional stripes and polka dots. Up here we have a pearl watermelon or beach ball bead. You don't see a traditional beach ball with it, which is more of a solid finish with a color, because beach balls just really don't come in these soft colors. So you won't see any of those in this lot. Underneath of that pearl beach ball is a frosted lavender bead. Over here is another frosted. Here's another clear watermelon beach ball. Then we get into the rhinestones. So there's a lot of different categories of rhinestones, and this covers most but not all of them. So we have a grape jelly rhinestone, winter green AB rhinestone. AB is just the effect. So if you see AB after something, that usually means it has somewhat of a shimmer. So let me see if I can hold that so you can see that. It has the shimmer compared to a clear or a traditional rhinestone that doesn't have the shimmer, but still very pretty and shiny. Here's another jelly rhinestone. Here's some ice cubes in aqua. Then we have a jelly glitter, very pretty, in Little Mermaid. It's the color. We have Crackle, another very popular type of bead, and that's the mint or the wintergreen Crackle. And then, like we said, there's that rhinestone that has a clear finish, more frosted beads, and then I also threw in there the light unicorn ombre pearl, which kind of flows with this lot. It's really pretty, kind of has that color change. So that's 29 different styles of 20 millimeter beads. By no means will every single one of these styles be in a 100 count lot. There's just not enough beads for that. This was more just using this theme to show you different styles. I also wanted to show you while we were here some really fun smaller beads that come in this color theme and lots of other colors. You can use these as spacers. You can use them for matching bracelets, for child and kid or child and doll necklaces. A lot of times people will make a child necklace using this size bead and then a matching necklace or similar necklace for a baby doll using small beads. So we have these clear, I think those are the rondelle beads. These are the rondelles. Then we have these are the squares. We have an AB transparent, some small little stripes. Look how cute those are. And a lavender. We have a 10 millimeter rhinestones. These come in a bulk pack. Really decent, really cheap price actually for 100 count. Swirl solids. I featured these a couple of times in my videos. I've even used them as spacers because they're really pretty. As well as these solids. I can't remember exactly what I call them. I think they're, I don't want to guess, I can't remember. They're really, really pretty. This is actually an 8 millimeter neon bead. It's a neon purple, but as you can see, it flows really, really well, the light purple. Here it is in 20 millimeter, so you can see that it matches. And we also have these in 12 millimeter. So here's just a really neat example of 29 different styles of 20 millimeter beads that we carry on our website, myprettyposhprincess.com. Don't forget that for the rest of this week, you can get yourself a 100 count bead mix that will include many, but not all of these types of beads for the low price of $15.99, originally $18.99 on the website. So make sure you snatch yours up before this color theme is gone. This winning vote was overwhelmingly popular, so it was a landslide win for this theme. So make sure you take advantage while it's on sale. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.